Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing to Laravel 11 full course, and this part is a 21 delete and email you send, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Gem server already started, Apache and MySQLi, and this already run localhost PSP my admin. Inside this available this database name, inside this 10 table is available. This my project gem folder, inside this htdoc directory, inside this command prompt open. Successfully command prompt open. This my project inside, and this project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's run PSP artisan serve and enter. Successfully this URL is a copy, and this my browser is a Firefox, and your browser is open inside this paste here, no tab inside this paste here. This copy same name is a copy, and inside this paste successfully working this latest version Laravel, and this open this / admin login, and this login screen is available. Inside this available, click this user table, and inside this login credential open, copy this Gmail account. Password is a hash password, means description password, and this copy password is a 123456789, and click this and don't save. Successfully login. Let's click this sidebar menu. Inside this email inside this available send mail, and this send mail is inside this, click this, and this delete is a select, and this delete is inside this new, this delete button is available. This already button is available. This is not working. Let's step by step set. First of all, this open resource view admin email and send email file. This file is available. Good working. Let's font small, and this available, this button is available. Let's inside this 123 save file and refresh this page. Successfully 123 is implementation. Good. Save file. This remove, and this forest loop, inside this forest loop, and this is a record is a show. Let's first of all this available checkbox. This checkbox is available. Let's checkbox is available. Let's first of all inside this input type is implementation. Input checkbox. This class is a new class is a select delete. Otherwise value. Let's value. And this table name is the same name is a copy, and this id save file, and this inside this available, this id is available. Let's click this, and this compose email, inside this id is a select. This 5 record is a show, this 3 and 5 record is a show. Inside this 5 record show, and first of all this id is selected, this id is set. Let's new class is a implement. Inside this new class is a create option delete all option. This new class is a add, this class new add delete all option. Let's copy this class and scroll down. Inside this save file successfully save and paste here. This class is a paste. Let's body tag inside this app. This login is available. This app login, this index, this dashboard is open. Inside this script is already available. Let's copy this name $section and paste here, and this end section, and inside this script is start $, dot means class, copy this and cut this and paste here, dot change function and paste here. Save file successfully. Save file. Inside this variable new, create variable total, and this is a blank, and this new dollar create, and this dot same here copy, same is a copy and paste here. Save file. Each dot is function start, and this close. If, and this insert variable id, new variable create is equal to dollar this dot val, means variable, and total, this already create the same here, copy and paste here. Dollar total plus is equal to id plus, and this drop down, and this close this. Let's new URL create inside this variable URL admin inside this available send. Let's click this send, copy, same name is a copy, send, new create send, email send, new route is a create, email send, and this id and plus total, same here copy and paste here total, and the dollar hash delete get delete URL, this copy this in a double t, and this sref, and this URL is already create this variable and paste here. Let's save file. Let's copy this name, and this delete button is already available, this copy, and this delete button is already available, this delete button. Let's click this a tag sref id, paste here, get delete URL, button is a remove, this button is a remove not use, save file. This primary button is as it is. Let's one click URL is a same here, this paste here. Please writing this all, this successfully set this a tag, successfully set, good working. Please implement your side, same here copy, and this fine inside this implementation. This is successfully set, checkbox. Copy this URL and new route create, route web.php open, and this get route is available, this get route get paste here, and this id is a pass, this id pass, this email controller copy class, and this admin email send delete. Same here, copy this name, copy and email controller, open this already email controller is available, http controller, and inside this email controller let's new function create public function and paste here. $id is a pass, request $request. Save file. Let's if is empty $request id. Option explode is equal to explode and this comma $request id. So let's forest option copy this option copy variable and paste here yes $id. If is empty $id and this new variable create $get record is equal to this model is already available, this model is a table is available, this table inside this already created this table is a create, same here copy inside this already included, this include and paste here find $id. Save file. Let's next is a same here copy and get record and delete, permanently delete, and this last it return redirect inside this set return redirect back with success send email successfully deleted and save file. Successfully all good working. Let's check this, refresh this page. Inside this 5 record is available. Let's check this 5 record. Inside this 5 record is available. Good. Let's implementation inside this one message is a set. This success message, same here success message is available, this message file. Inside this success message file, let's open this composition, compose. Inside this copy and inside this open this and this paste here. This file is include, good working. This message file is include, this message file is include. Let's refresh this page. In this click this delete button, click this. Are you sure want to delete? Okay, this is not a select, this as it is a redirection. Good working, not a delete. Successfully not delete, good working. Let's click this one, select this one, select and delete. Are you sure want to delete? Cancel is not a delete and click this delete. Okay, this is a email send id. This is my mistake. Let's check this my mistake. Let's check first of all this check. Let's this send inside this mistake. Let's inside this mistake check. Plus id variable $this delete plus is equal to successfully show you error. Let's show you this error as it is not a sense. Let's open this. Inside this, let's check this, not a sense. Let's this remove this id inside this available total. Let's this is the id, just remove this, open this, get route. Let's remove this, not use, remove, save file. Let's this is the id is a remove, not a use, save file. Successfully set this get method is a as it is not a pass id. This not a as it is successfully set. Good working. And this is a successfully inside this available. Good. And this button is a show. Please writing this all file. Let's refresh this page back button, click this and refresh this page. This 5 record is a as it is a show. This 5 record inside show. Let's click this 5 record is a show. Yes, this same good. Yes, 5 record is available. Let's 4 number this programming web development. Let's open this, click this, select and delete. Are you sure? Not sure? Yes. Okay, click this. Yes, successfully email is a delete. This is a delete, only 4 record is available. Let's refresh this page, click this refresh button, click this refresh, successfully show this remove. Let's multiple is a remove. Let's click this multiple, remove 3 record is a, click this and delete. Are you sure want to delete? Click this. Successfully record is a delete, 3 record is delete, only 1 record is a show. Good working. This let's refresh this page. Successfully 1 record is available and this is a working fine. Delete is a multiple, working is a fine. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. This Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available. This is a 7-year experience. Any new develop, so please contact this. Inside this lost project, please buy other or project is available. And this my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon, never missing new video. And this is a social media link is available, Facebook, Instagram, Git. Please follow this all link. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Like this video and subscribe my channel and hit this bell icon. Thank you.